Make a web page fit the screen. Have you ever experienced opening a web page that is just too large for your computer screen? You are left with no choice but to scroll the page horizontally each time you open a page, which frankly is a tedious task. Thankfully, there are two ways in order to fix this problem. Read on to learn how to make a web page fit your computer screen. Adjust your computer monitor's screen resolution. If your computer monitor's screen resolution is not the same or compatible with the web page, then you will encounter display issues. In order to fix this problem, you need to access the Display Properties window. In Windows XP, you can go to the Control panel and click on Display. You can also right-click directly on the desktop, select Properties from the drop-down, and the Display Properties window will appear on the screen. Click on the Settings tab and then under the section for Screen Resolution, select 1024x768, which is the native web page display resolution of most web pages. If you are using an LCD monitor, it is recommended that you set the display resolution at 1280 x 1024. Hit Apply at the bottom of the window, and click OK. Wait a few seconds for the monitor to load the new display resolution. If you want to make changes to the font size, you can do so by going back to the Display Properties window and clicking on the Appearance tab. Now you will see that each web page you open will fit nicely on the screen. Use your web browser's full screen mode. If after adjusting the display resolution of your computer monitor you still experience a few display issues, what you can do is utilize the full screen mode of your web browser. When you use the full screen mode, the menu bar, toolbar, and address bar of the web page will be hidden temporarily. If you are using Google Chrome, you can press F11 from your keyboard to activate and deactivate the full screen mode. If you are using Internet Explorer, you need to press Alt plus Enter to activate and deactivate the full screen mode. Mozilla Firefox also uses the F11 function key for full screen mode, but their version 0.8 browser has an add-on that you can download to get a full screen toolbar button beside the address bar. By following the steps outlined above, you will now be able to make the web pages fit your screen and you can view content from the internet comfortably.